Hello there, this is Jonathan, the owner of Mr. Mister. Just want to give you a couple of quick tips. So when it comes to the pump, that has to do with flow rate, what size. Now, this pump here is an open direct drive pump. So as you can see, we can place it almost anywhere. We put it on a paper. We have some nylon wrapped up for a good reason. It takes out the vibration before it hits the line on the wall, so you don't hear it on the wall. Now, this is a 1 gallon per minute pump. Now that is determined by the amount of nozzles that we have. So let me show you. On this one, we've got pavers, so we can't trench. So we've got the blank stainless steel line that matches the house, goes all the way over here, and goes all the way to where it starts and goes up. Now, the height, it tells us what size nozzle we need. See the nozzle's there? So what size nozzle means how much water is coming out of each nozzle. Now, we don't want it to be too much water to where we get the ground wet, but it's low enough to go to about your shin height. And so that height determines the amount of water coming out of each nozzle, but the length of this will tell us how many nozzles we need. So that determines how much water is flowing out of the pump per minute.
Go ahead.
So that will tell you whether you need a 1/2 gallon per minute pump, 1 gallon per minute pump. Now you see my guys right now, they're flushing the line, so we make sure there's no sediment in the line before we turn it on. So now for the pump location, we're gonna need water access and a 110 outlet. And it's all connected to a wireless remote that is free to you. Now, this is the sound of an open direct drive pump. It does make a noise, so that's why we try and keep it as far away from where you're sitting as possible. Now, this pump does come in an enclosed version, so it does dampen some of the sound, but if the pump has to be too close, you can get a pulley pump that is just more of a hum. Now, knob to the right is the pressure valve, and the pressure gauge is to the left. The little nozzle you see on the left, far left over there, is the drain release. So when the pump turns off, the water in the system will drain out right. Now we're walking over to the line because we've got mist. Thank you for stopping by, and if you have any other further questions, feel free to text or call the phone number on the website at any time.